Hey, Paul, before you hang up with me, you're
Sure.
still there, right? Hey, last week on the radio show, I had a caller, and they were asking me, are there some new laws in Florida regarding alimony? And something about that seems familiar to me, as if there are some new laws regarding alimony.
Tom, you're absolutely right. They are relatively new. What's happened is that the legislature has basically codified, as part of the alimony statute, a whole bunch of case law that's accumulated over the past several years. And so now there are definitions for short-term marriages, medium-term marriages, long-term marriages, and how alimony will be applied in each case. So people can ask for different kinds of alimony, bridge the gap, rehabilitative alimony, durational alimony. There are all kinds of new changes in the law. Now, one thing that people don't understand, generally speaking, is they think that there is a formula to calculate alimony. There's not formally anyway. There is a formula for child support, and that's right in the statute in Chapter 61. But for alimony, it's a different kind of analysis because it depends on a number of different factors, including the needs of one party and the ability to pay of the other party, and then a whole bunch of different factors that include the length of the marriage, contributions to the marriage, and other statutory factors as well. But yes, there have been changes. They're significant, and they can fully justify a big analysis.
Paul, let me give you a broad question here, okay?
Yep.
Every once in a while I get a caller, usually from a man, and I hear about groups of men out there who are very upset that they think the alimony laws are unfair, that they as the breadwinners are paying too much in alimony, all right?
Yep.
For those men who might feel like that, is there anything about the new law that might suggest that alimony that men are paying, as the breadwinners typically, is going to be less in the future?
Well, Tom, no, I wouldn't say that. I would say that it gives those people a better idea of what to expect.
Okay.
And it kind of clarifies things.
Thank you so much, Paul. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Tom.
Hey, that's Paul Noonan, my family law divorce attorney. He is at my office right now, standing by to answer your questions at 407-423-5561. He's there with